Hi guys! For today's video, I will show you how to install Windows Server 2003 sa VirtualBox. So, tara na! Yan. Siyempre, una nyo. Then, name it with the Windows Server 2003. Yan. Then, finish. Then, let's add an disk. Yan. 2003. Open. And then, start. Let's just wait. Yan. VirtualBox. Just wait. And then enter, 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 enter. Then here is just a waiting game. Let's just fast forward it. And 90. And then after that is computer times. And my computer will reboot in 13 seconds. Then it will be rebooted. And don't press any keys here. Windows Server 2003 installing Windows na tayo. Just wait. Fast forward natin. 70 yan. Let's just wait. Sobrang waiting game ka lang yan. After that is next lang, enter. Then the name, David. Organization, TUPT. And then the product key. Product key text yan. Yan, ito yung product key. Kasama na siya pagka-install. And M6RJ9 TBJH3 9DDXM 4VX9Q K8M8M. Yan. That's the product key. And the next name David 2003, David 123, David 123 again. Yes, next. Another waiting game. So just let's fast forward it. Saglit lang. Pala yan. Then typical setting, custom settings. Then typical settings. Next. And just a waiting game. Fast forward. Talagang waiting game ka lang talaga dito. Kaya fast forward. Madali lang talaga siya. Yan. Sobrang tagal. Yan. Yan. Natapos na. Yan. Magre-reboot na yung virtual box mo kasi na wala kang gagawin dyan. Hands up. Yan. Windows Server 2003. Yan. Press Ctrl Alt Delete. Para mag na. And David 123. Yan. Ito na ang Windows 2003. Yan. Kahit di mo na pakialaman yan, finish mo na lang yan. Yes. Yan na. Meron ka ng Windows 2003. Sobrang dali lang talaga guys. Talagang waiting game ka lang talaga sa lahat ng gagawin. Mga product key ay nang hinahanap talaga. Ayun lang guys for today's video. Sana you learn a lot from me. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Stay safe!